But so she actually told me that I helped her to quit smoking, and I didn't know that. Because I quit smoking, and then whatever advice I gave her, she followed. And the same sister of mine, um, when I started this personal development and getting into coaching and going onto the mastermind and seeing how your knowledge can actually influence people and you can add value to people, and just the way that it transformed her life and her family life and her household and creating the scores was, it was so satisfying to see how my influence impacted her life and her whatever she did and her thought process and her actions and her relationship and her relationship with her kid and the way it went in her house, that everything became easier. She implemented the stuff that she was going to teach, and just how she can now openly speak about it with others, with other parents that struggle. And just knowing that I had a part in that, not taking the credit because she did all the hard work, but just I was part of it.